What you doing now, Dave?
Those are my wheel balancers.
Oh, those aren't pizza pans?
Actually, they're tambourine.
We're Dave and Karen from Wax on Wheels. We roll, we camp, and yeah, we play. What are those for?
Those are to balance the front wheels on Max. They have beads in here. The draft fly around in here, and this bolts on behind the wheel. And as you're driving down the road, the beads spread out to where it needs to go, and it balances the wheel. When you're driving down the road, you don't have that little vibration in your steering wheel.
How much were those?
About 120 bucks.
And if you don't use them?
You have a little vibration in your steering wheel.
Okay. Max was lifted up and blocks were put underneath the axle.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this wheel off, and then I put this wheel balancer back on, and we'll find the right stud like that. It goes on the other side of the wheel.
Okay.
And then you put the wheel back on. That's all there is to it.
Okay. But wait, I think there's other uses for those.
What's that?
I want to join a band.
We're going to call you Tambourine.
Yeah. Photo opportunity, that's good.
That's good.
You like? Shoop, shoop, hoo.
Shoop, shoop. Working out in the rice paddy.
All my kids have fun today. I see Sandy. I see Ronald. Do you remember that? Romper Room.
No, I don't remember that one.
Oh my gosh, that's
I was too old for romper. I'm such an angel.
Think I'll find any gold in here?
Where'd that gold? I hear it.
Do you think if I make earrings out of these that it'll pull out my earlobes too much?
Pizza's ready.
No. Awesome.
Go out long, I'll hit it.
Catch it if you can.
Has a drawback of being a bed.
I know there's so many more things you could do with these balancers. I mean, it could be an industrial air fryer basket for frying whole chickens all at once. It could be Grandma's bunt pan after she married a diesel mechanic. This is where truckers bake their cornbread on the turbo. Could be a limited edition Cracker Barrel chicken feeder. Hey, maybe it's the missing part from Mars rover. No wonder it's driving sideways. Oh, I know, it's an engagement ring for when your wife says she wants something big and shiny. Maybe it's a wedding ring for marrying into the Freightliner family. Could even be a portable crop circle maker. Hey, you got a good one? Drop your funniest idea in the comments. While Dave's out here showing off his pit crew speed, let's talk about what this thing actually does. These wheel balancers constantly adjust to changes in your tire as you drive. Things like flat spots, uneven wear, or even mud buildup on one side of your rim. Instead of using old school stick-on weights that only balance the tire once at the shop, these keep it balanced all the time, no matter what kind of road you're on. It helps reduce vibration, gives you a smoother ride, and can even extend tire and suspension life. Plus, they're made for heavy-duty rigs like this. All right, now that Dave's warmed up, let's get this thing installed. Getting pretty good at that. It's like you've done it before.
Once or twice.
Okay, easy peasy?
Easy peasy. All you do is take it off, match it up to your studs, and that's it. Slide it on. Just like that. We're done here. And you gotta put the wheel back on.
They're especially useful on steer tires where you really feel every little shake. And if you tow like we do, balancing matters, even a little wobble up front can ripple all the way back.
And the wheel up. Look at that, it just goes right on there. But I got to get a little bit of oil. Contrary to popular beliefs, or my beliefs I should say, they say to add a drop of oil to each one of these studs when you put the lug nuts back on. And I say, who's they? And they is Freightliner. It's in the manual.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
You were actually reading the manual?
Yeah. Shh, don't tell anyone.
Your secret's with me.
I'll lose my man card. And they want you. I was always told, even as a youngster, you don't want to put oil on lug nuts. Yeah, I could see you might want a little oil on them. Torquing these things to 450 pounds.
I thought it was like 300.
I thought so too. Read the specs, 400 to 450 pounds.
Whoa.
First you torque them up to about 100 or 200, and then you come back and torque them again to 450.
Putting that balancer in there doesn't push the wheel out a little bit?
Yeah, it does. About a 32nd of an inch.
Oh, that's it?
That's it. That's it.
Got any use out of that piece of equipment?
I have. Well, I'll tell you what, this thing's a back saver. Now what I'm going to do, before I let it down, jam that underneath there. See if I can get a little torque on here. With my new fancy Nancy torque thing.
What'd that cost?
Like 60 bucks. Right. This goes in there. This goes on here. That goes on there. And then we turn around. It's set right now for 150 foot-pounds. I got the 150 right there, and it says foot-pounds right there. There it is.
It actually turns red at 20, when you're 20% away.
It goes beep, 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 beep.
Then you get a solid beep when you hit the 150 that you have it set for.
Now I'm going to take it up to 250. There we go. 20, 30, 40, 50. 250. I did the second wheel, and now we're going to put him back down. Keep going. That's good. I'm going to split the difference between four. I wanted to go 425.
And the last part.
Putting on the beauty.
You putting the bling on?
Putting the bling on.
How many beers for putting those balancers on?
12 per side.
Oh, that was easy.
That's a lot of work to torque those things down to 450 pounds.
Well, yeah.
Note the sweat.
Oh.
And it is a cool day.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Well, you're getting to be a little more realistic these days.
Did I say 10? Did I say 12? I meant 15.
Well, I was going to say 6. So take the 12 and run.
Take the 12 and run. Who made you God?
Boy, you have not read the contract in a while, have you?
Oh, that's right, God. That's right. It's written right in there.
Thanks for rolling with Wax on Wheels. Want to help our channel grow? Hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and click that bell, or we'll come Jeep chasing you. Hey, and leave us a comment. Even a quick hello makes our day. So roll, camp, play, and maybe fix something and have a beer.